Tired of redrawing the same flowchart shapes in Confluence and Jira? Learn how to create a custom library in redraw.io to reuse them instantly. I'll show you exactly how to create a new library, save it, and drag shapes into it for quick access. Let's start. So first things first, go ahead and log into your Jira account. Now, this doesn't really matter if you're using Confluence or Jira. The process is pretty much identical in both. Just get signed in and open up the project or page where your diagram lives. Once you're in, open the diagram you want to work with. You know, the one where you've already got some custom shapes or symbols that you keep redrawing over and over. I've been there, and that's exactly why we're doing this. Now, look at the top left corner of the draw.io editor and click on File. This is where all the good stuff hides for managing your drawings and libraries. Just click it. From that drop-down menu, hover your mouse over the option that says New Library. Don't click it yet, just hover. You'll see a sub-menu pop out to the side with a few different choices. This is where you decide where to save your custom shapes. Go ahead and click on Device. Now, you might see other options here, like saving to your Confluence Cloud or a shared drive, but for this tutorial, we're keeping it simple. Saving to device means your custom library lives on your local computer, which is perfect for personal use or testing before you share it with your team. A little window will pop up asking you to type a file name for your library. I usually name mine something descriptive, like Project Flowcharts or Standard Shapes, something I'll recognize later. Type in whatever makes sense for you. Then click Save. And that's it. Your empty custom library is created. You'll see it appear as a new panel on the left side of the screen. It's going to look pretty empty right now, but that's about to change. And here's the really fun part. Now you can drag any object from your canvas directly into that library panel. Just click on a shape you've already customized. Maybe it's a specific process box or a decision diamond with your company's colors, and drag it right into that empty library. You'll see it get added instantly. You can keep doing this with every shape you use regularly. Once you've added them, accessing and using those objects is incredibly simple. Anytime you're working on a new diagram, just open that library and you can drag those shapes back onto your canvas. They'll keep all their original formatting, colors, and text. No more recreating anything from scratch. In my experience working with teams on Atlassian tools, this one trick saves hours every week. It's one of those features that seems small, but completely changes how you work once you start using it. Your custom library stays with you across all your diagrams, and you can even share the file with colleagues if you want to standardize shapes across your whole team. So that's it. From redrawing the same elements over and over to having them ready at your fingertips. Give it a try on your next diagram, and you'll wonder how you ever worked without it.